Shopify versus GoHighLevel. Which is better for dropshipping? In this video, we're comparing Shopify and GoHighLevel to determine which platform is the best choice for your dropshipping business. I've included links to both platforms in the description, so be sure to check those out after the video. Let's start with Shopify, a platform designed specifically for e-commerce. Shopify is one of the most popular platforms for dropshipping because it's incredibly easy to set up and start selling. It offers a wide range of customizable templates, making it easy to create a professional-looking store without needing to know any code. Shopify's App Store is another key advantage, providing access to numerous dropshipping apps like Oberlo, Spocket, and Deesers, which allow you to find products and automate many of the tasks associated with dropshipping. Shopify also offers excellent support and extensive documentation, so if you run into any issues, help is always available. Its primary focus is on e-commerce, which means every feature, update, and integration is tailored to help you sell more products. On the other hand, GoHighLevel is a comprehensive marketing and CRM platform that offers more than just e-commerce solutions. While it's not as e-commerce focused as Shopify, it's packed with features that can benefit a dropshipping business, especially if you're looking to build a more sophisticated marketing funnel. GoHighLevel includes tools for creating landing pages, running automated marketing campaigns, managing leads, and even sending SMS and email campaigns. If you're running a dropshipping business where the focus is on lead generation and nurturing, GoHighLevel might be the better choice. However, setting up a store on GoHighLevel isn't as straightforward as Shopify, and it lacks the extensive app ecosystem that Shopify offers for e-commerce specific needs. So, who are these platforms for? Shopify is perfect for those who want a simple, plug-and-play solution to start their dropshipping store with minimal setup. It's ideal if you're focused solely on selling products and want to scale your business quickly with the help of specialized apps. GoHighLevel, on the other hand, is better suited for those who need a more comprehensive toolset for managing customer relationships, running complex marketing campaigns, and integrating these efforts with their e-commerce strategy. It's a solid choice if you're looking for an all-in-one platform to manage both sales and marketing. In conclusion, if your main goal is to set up a dropshipping store quickly and efficiently, Shopify is the way to go. But if you're aiming to build a broader marketing strategy alongside your dropshipping business, GoHighLevel might offer the versatility you need. Check the links in the description to explore both platforms and choose the one that best fits your business needs.